Okay, this video is dedicated to my friend Jenny. So here we've got a pie chart showing the audience at an afternoon performance. So there are too many words here, so just extract what's important. What's important is this thing here. So this pie chart represents afternoon, afternoon, afternoon. So ignore this whole thing here. And then this is the audience at an evening performance. So what's important is this evening. So too many words here, remove everything and just remember this represents evening. Evening. And then down here the question says 200 people went to the afternoon one. So what's important is 200 people and afternoon. So ignore this whole thing here and just imagine this as being, well, here you've got afternoon and here you've got evening, and it's talking about the afternoon, so you should be looking at this pie chart. So this is 200 people here, and then this bit here, the same evening. So what's important is evening and 500 people. So ignore everything here. So just imagine as being 500 people here. 500 people for the evening. So we can now ignore everything here. So ignore everything there. So now we are ready to answer the questions. So these are the questions. So let's tackle the first one. How many adults went to the theatre in the afternoon? So in the afternoon, so which pie chart should you be looking at? This one or this one? Well, it's talking about the afternoon, so you should be looking at this one. How many adults went to the afternoon? That was a question. Well, adults, you've got seniors, children, adults. So you're looking at this, but so what you do is you get your whole population. Your whole population is 200. So get your whole population, cut it up into 100 pieces, because when you're working with percent, you're working with 100 pieces. So get your whole population, cut up into 100 equal pieces, and then here you're getting 15 pieces. 15 pieces. So this thing here represents the number of adults. So to do this, simplify this fraction. 200 divided by 100, that would be 2, and then times this block here, which would be 15. So 2 times 15 is 30. So that should be 30 adults. So here it should be 30 adults. So your answer would be, hang on. So your answer would be 30 adults. 30 here. And then the next question, how many children in the evening? So how many children in the evening? So going back to here, hang on. How many children in the evening? Let me clean this up. Bear with me. How many children in the evening? So evening, you should be looking at this this pie chart here, and because it's evening, this is afternoon. So look, so we've got to use this pie chart, and it wants to know how many children. So this is seniors, adults. What's this thing here? It can't be this shaded bit, because this represents seniors. It can't be this thing here. So this bit here must represent children here. So we want to know children. So this must mean this slice here represents children, because it can't be the white one. It can't be this shaded one. It must be this dark shaded one here. So this represents children. And it says, oh, it tells you that right here. So anyway, 13% are children. So to work this out, get your whole population, which is 500, cut it up into 100 equal pieces, and then get 13 pieces. 13 pieces. So now simplify this fraction. That 500 divided by 100 would be 5, and then times this block here, 13. What is 13 times 5? So 13 times 5. Use whichever method you want. 5 times 3, 15. Carry the 1, which, well, this times this would be 5. Carry the 1 across, so that would be 65. Well, 13 times 5 is 65. So the answer here will be 65. This answer here would be 65. And then the same number of seniors went to the afternoon as the evening. True or false? So it's saying that is it true that the same number of seniors, the same number here and here? So let's try and work it out. Let's try and work it out. You could glance at this and recognize the answer straight away, but let's try and work it out from scratch. So it wants to know if the number of people here, the number of seniors here, would be the same as the number of seniors over here. Let's work it out. For this one here, it would be, well, get your whole population. Let me just erase this. Get your whole population, which is 200. Cut up into 100 equal pieces, and then get 25 pieces. Get 25 pieces. So here it would simplify this. This would be 2 times 25. So really here you've got 50 senior citizens. 50 here. 50 seniors here. And then let's look at the evening one. The evening one, well, you would get your whole amount, which would be 500 people from earlier. Earlier it says 500 people, because down here 500 people. Well, get your whole amount. Cut it up into 100 equal pieces, and then it's saying seniors 25 pieces, and then get 25 pieces. Simplify this. This would be 5, and then times 25. 5 times 25, use whichever method you want, or jump to a calculator, whatever. It should come up to 125. So the number of people here would be 125. You see here, 50 people. Here you've got 125. And then down here in the statement, it says that the two numbers are the same, true or false. True or false. It says that the same numbers of seniors in the afternoon and evening. So this must be false, because up here it's up here is 50, and here it's 125. So it must be false. Okay, so your answer down here would be false. Okay.